try cooking your noodles like this next time, and if it doesn't go well, never watch my videos. Yes, it's a deal. Hi guys, so these are all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. Of course, some all-purpose seasoning, the seasoning from the noodles itself, sardine, eggs. I'll leave all the items in the description, so be sure to check it out. And the star of this dish is this shito, guys. Just try it, okay? Shito in your noodles. It will take your noodle to a whole new level. And we'll be using some fried chicken. If you haven't seen how I made it, check my stew recipe. Great. So first you need some hot water, and then I just covered it. And when it's about to boil, or when it has boiled, you add in some of your seasoning. So I always do this. I added like half of it. You know the noodles has seasoning, so I added that to my water, and then our noodles goes into the water. Like, my pot was small, so I just break the noodles just so that it goes into the pot. If you have a bigger pot, you don't have to do this. And then I just covered it and allow it to come to a boil. So next, I'm going to check on it. I stirred everything because of course my pot was small, so the ones at the top which were not ready had to go down to cook. But if your pot is big, you don't have to stir. This is just indomie, so you don't have to stir. And I covered, and then finally our noodles are ready. So yeah, you just have to drain this, and that's exactly what I'm doing in the video. So after taking all the water out from the noodles, you now go ahead and add some oil into a pan, and then I'm using the same oil I used in frying my chicken because there is nothing wrong, no wasting here. So yeah, you add your oil and allow it to warm up slightly, and then I'll add in some chopped onions. I'm going to fry these chopped onions for some few minutes. Yeah, just to get, that brown color, not burnt to brown. And then yeah, so that's exactly what we are doing. And next, just like you are seeing the video, that and next I added in some carrots. We are also going to fry the carrots for some few minutes. And guys, whilst we are frying this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for the love. You want to fry this for just some few minutes, okay? And next thing you want to do is to take everything out, because we don't want this veggies to be super soft. Like, nah, we just want it to be, just a little fried, not soft. So at this point you take it out and added a little more oil. So because the oil I started with was not enough, it was just a little, so little oil, so that we don't end up adding so much oil in our food. So next thing is to crack in some eggs, and I sprinkled a little bit of all-purpose seasoning on the eggs just to give it some taste, and then I try to use my spoon to just turn things around. We are trying to make scrambled eggs, so exactly as you are seeing in the video, you can do same to your eggs to get like the scrambled eggs. So yeah, you allow this to cook, and then just like try and stir everything until it's ready. And next we are going to take everything out as well and set it aside. It's like a step-by-step process. And the twist is that I fry my sardines for some few minutes, okay? This is because sardines have like this very high aroma, so I like to fry it a little bit, and this is where our shito goes in. So if you don't have shito, you can use pepper, like whether red pepper, hot chili pepper or powdered pepper, green pepper chopped, any type of pepper, okay, but I use shito and like it's a game changer. And next I added all the rest of my veggies and sprinkled some of the all-purpose seasoning on top. Yeah. And next is that our noodles goes in. So if you realize, the moment I added my veggies, I did not wait for long. I just added the noodles straight up because we don't want this to like become soft. We don't want the veggies to become soft. And then I added the rest of the spices that came with the noodles on top. So I'm not using so much spices. I'm just using the same spices I used from the noodle pack. Okay, and now I added our fried chicken, the eggs, the fried onions and carrots all goes in. And guys, you just wanna try this, like, just try this and let me know in the comments what you think. This noodle like is just it's a life changer. Like, if you taste this noodles and you try to cook your noodles this way, this is going to be like your favorite style. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.